I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming account region alignment, so sign into account. Microsoft. Calm and open your profile. Once done, check the registered country and the billing address. Mismatches cause regional blocks. Make sure your phone and alternate email are verified, because Microsoft uses those for identity checks. If the country is wrong, change the region in account settings and update billing info. Do not rely only on VPN yet, because Microsoft flags accounts with inconsistent data. Next, you must align your network and device region. Choose a paid, reputable VPN endpoint in the country where rewards is offered. Free VPNs trigger blocks. Once connected, clear cookies and use a fresh browser profile or private window so old location signals are removed. Then update Windows region, Microsoft Store country, and browser language to match your VPN exit. These steps minimize conflicting signals. If you switch VPN countries, repeat clearing to avoid residual flags. Now finalize enrollment. With VPN active and all region settings synchronized, open Bing. com/profile and attempt to join Microsoft Rewards. Complete profile prompts if shown. If you still see the "not available in this country" message, gather screenshots and contact Microsoft support, explaining the changes and providing consistent billing details. If support stalls, disable browser extensions, try another device, or wait 24 to 72 hours for backend region updates to propagate. Often persistence and consistent data resolve the block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.